Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to create a waiting list on Shopify in just a few minutes, perfect for managing customer interest in high demand or out of stock products. First, log into your Shopify store and go to Settings, then click on Apps and Sales Channels. Next, open the Shopify App Store and search for Waiting List. The app we'll use is Mini Coming Soon Waitlist. Click Install to add it to your store. Installation, locate the app in your installed apps and enable it. Then click Create a Waitlist Setup to customize how customers join and get notified of product availability. Once you've configured your waitlist, like email notifications, design, or product categories, click Save to apply your settings. And that's it. Your Shopify store now has a working waiting list, helping you capture customer interest and boost sales effortlessly.